Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So now we are going to discuss about what is transformer. Right, as an electrical engineer, you know the importance of transformer, that transformer is the heart of power system. So in interview, many interviewer will ask you that define transformer. So transformer is an AC machine that transfer electrical energy from one electrical circuit to another without change of frequency, and its work in the principle of electromagnetic induction, and has an electric circuit that are linked by common magnetic circuit. Okay, so transformer is an AC machine. First of all, a transformer is never operated on DC. Right, if DC supply is connected to the transformer, primary or secondary, it may burns out since there is no self-induced EMF and heavy current will flow through it. So a transformer is never operated on DC. Now, if anybody will ask you that transformer is a rotating machine or static machine, so it's a static machine and has a very high efficiency. It's around 96% to 99%. So in many competitive exam, you can see such type of questions that what are the efficiency of transformer? Then you can give answer that it's 96% to 99%. Okay, although in actual construction the two windings are usually wound one over the other, right? These are the you can see this figure that there is a two windings, primary and secondary. But in actual, if you have visited any transformer manufacturing company, then you can see over there that near core there are total 3 limbs, right? In 3 limbs, near core, LV winding is wounded, and above LV winding there is a HV winding. So if you have visited any transformer company, then definitely you can see such type of construction. But now here, for sake of simplicity, there is a primary and secondary winding. Okay. Now what is ideal transformer? So today our motto is to understand the transformer and what is ideal transformer. So ideal transformer, first of all, you know the Faraday principle of electromagnetic induction. What state? So Faraday principle of electromagnetic induction states that EMF induced in a loop due by a changing magnetic flux is equal to a rate of change of magnetic flux threading the loops. Okay, so this is the Faraday law of electromagnetic induction. He said that EMF induced in a loop due by a changing magnetic flux is equal to a rate of change of magnetic flux. Okay. Now what is ideal transformer? In ideal transformer, the winding, resistance, magnetic leakage, then core losses or iron losses, right, are neglected. Okay. So in ideal transformer, winding, resistance, magnetic leakage. Now what is magnetic leakage? You know that magnetic leakage means flux passes through the winding insulations and transformer insulating oil instead of passing through core. Okay, so instead of passing through core, it's passes through a winding insulation and transformer insulating oil. So that is magnetic leakage. And what happens due to this leakage? Due to this leakage, flux in the transformer, both primary and secondary winding have a leakage reactance. So reactance comes in the picture, and this phenomena is known as a magnetic leakage. Okay, so these are in ideal transformer. Remember, winding, resistance, magnetic leakage and core losses are neglected, and core is assumed to be infinite permeability and zero reluctance. I have already discussed permeability and permittivity in the previous lecture, so you can watch it out. Okay, so I think you have understood the transformer and ideal transformer, and if you like this video, then don't forget to share and subscribe, and don't forget to so thank you for watching.